Good morning, beautiful friends! Today is the very first time for us, Hadassah and Hannah and I, all of us, to attend American Day outside the base. It's kind of like market day where they have stalls and they have stores and they're selling food. But this one, they just celebrate American Day as well. And they're very friendly, everyone. And also the Japanese people outside are very friendly. And the American people are enjoying it also, and there are a lot of food to choose. There's burgers, there's also kebab, fries, nachos, and there's sweets. And Hadassah and Hannah forgot to take
Hadassah
a video
ordered
of nachos,
nachos
and she was waiting for nachos that day.
sweet.
So something dessert. She likes to also, there are some band. They were singing, and the weather is so good. And thankfully, it's not winter, of course. And then after this, we will go to grocery shopping. There's a mama here. She was just by herself and she's not super happy. So thankfully we were able to give her the curry that we bought. Hopefully she will like the taste of it. So have a great day, everyone. Thank you for joining and enjoy the videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe. We love you. Take care. It's so good. Hannah would like to try the ice cream. Ako be, mamaya na lang. Kasi ang haba ng kebab ang haba ng, the line for kebab is so long. Party, party! It's okay. Si Hannah is really tired, taking a rest. Hannah is tired taking a rest. We're just waiting for Hadassah to be finished eating, and then ako be, dun ako sa kasi mag-grocery tayo. Sandali lang tayo dito. Si Kim, nasa kaya si Kim tsaka yung daughter niya? Yung daughter niya sasayaw ng 12 o'clock but we're not able to see kasi galing tayo so, nag-volunteer ako be. So yun, late tayo ng 1 hour. It's okay. They dance, yung anak ni Kim. But it's okay. Dito tayo sa kabila kasi wala silang bumibili sa kanila. Kawawa naman, diba? Dito tayo. Inside. They're so smart. Rose? Not disgusting. It's zero yummy. Buttered garlic shrimp is so good. Hadasa. Hadasa. Okay. Octopus daw. Have a great day. We love you.
Octopus is disgusting, by the way.
Hi. We love you. Alright. Look at this. Their street have plants. Kay Hana kasi kumain na si Hadasa. Asan na yun, be? Oh, yung cute. Ano to? Makikimarites tayo. This is for Hana. And Hadasa already have hers. Hi, enjoy. Hadasa, you already ate? Yummy? Hana. Hana Rose.
This is ridiculous. I got the same thing as my sister.
Have a great day, beautiful friends. Flying kiss, Hana. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile.
What should I give the customer on the plate?
Mm.
The bunny rabbit.
Meron kaninang bahay, be. Para siyang kaso. Parang ganito, pero iba. Ito nakuhaan ng video.
My sister.
Bahay dito, simple siya, no? Ang cute na street, be, no? Green na green. Kailangan ko na mag-practice, be, ng driving ulit. Para sure tayo, just in case, para makapunta tayo sa malapit na grocery store dito. Let's try. It's so good. Let's cook it more. Luto na siya, be. It kinda looked like it became small, but it's really big. It's like a size of your palm. Let's try. It's so good. Let's eat. Alright, so Hadasa and Hana decided that maybe baka ita-try nila or hindi. But we will try this, be. Let's try this. Yummy. I'm hitting that sinigang. Hadasa is eating. She doesn't want to try the shrimp. The shrimp here. Hana will try. Let's eat.